How to take a screenshot using palm swipe on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Now, if you try to palm swipe and your phone does not take a screenshot, you need to turn it on. To do that, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. In here, tap on motions and gestures. And from here, you want to turn on palm swipe to capture. And that's it. After you can use your palm to swipe to capture the screenshot. And that's it. Quite easy. If you switch it off, you can see that when I try to palm swipe, it does not work. Okay. You can also take a screenshot using the side button and the volume down button as well. But in this video, we try to focus on simply using the palm swipe to capture a screenshot. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.